Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Hey, it is Kyle live with Midwest Aftermarket in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018 alongside David in the Elongator booth. David, what's up, my friend?
Having a busy show, man. Showing demos after demos, probably 700 of them so far.
Hey, having a busy show's a good thing, though, right?
Great thing, yeah.
Okay, well, let's do your 701st demo then, right?
All right, let me show you how this thing works.
Okay, cool.
First of all, Kyle, this is a replacement tailgate. The Elongator tailgate replaces the tailgate on your OEM truck. You take that one off, sell it, do whatever you want with it. Put this one on because this tailgate does a lot of stuff. Made in the USA with a 3-year warranty.
Nice.
All right, comes in this matte black finish, which you can paint or you can run like this. It has a UV coating so it won't fade. So we're going to open it up. And the magic about this Elongator tailgate is it's got this extension in it that does multiple things, multiple locations. So we're going to put it, first of all, at the level position. This gives me 18 inches beyond the end of the tailgate to carry long loads of lumber, pipe, pallets, ATVs, whatever. Capacity rating way out here at 850 pounds.
Wow, that's huge.
It'll give you a lot of load to carry whatever you want to do. And for a lot of people, that's enough, but let me show you what else we do. You slide this knob over, open up this cut, and this extension now goes into what we call the ramp loading position.
Oh, cool.
This forms the basis of your loading ramps. So all you need are loading ramps, right? Well, we have the ramps stored in the tailgate.
Nice.
So inside the Elongator tailgate are 2 aluminum extruded ramps. They have a lip on one side. This is the left ramp. The right ramp here has a lip on the right side. They have these tabs that work with these slots. So based on you're going to load, you just put the ramps where you want to put them. So let me show you here. If I'm going to load an ATV, I'll put the ramp right there.
That is brilliant.
ATV out here, motorcycles in the middle, hand truck, whatever you want to put. And the great thing is, because of these tabs, the ramps don't kick out. Wow. All right? Very safe, especially with the lip and the traction surface. So when you get all done, you load what you're going to load. Put the ramps back in the gate, close the extension, close the tailgate, and it all disappears.
Nice. Yeah.
It's there when you need it. It disappears when you don't need it. It is the exact tailgate you need at the exact moment you need it.
You know, this is one of a handful of products that I have seen here so far where I'm like, oh my gosh, why didn't I think of that? Because
it's a big V8 moment for people.
Yeah, yeah.
Whoa,
yeah.
You know.
Exactly.
And the thing is, you don't realize how many times you would use ramps if you had ramps with you all the time. How many times have we had something we had to put in the truck by ourselves that had wheels and we just had to pick it up? Because you don't always carry your ramps. You don't always carry the extender. You don't always have your trailer. This gets rid of all of that. You always have it with you, but it disappears until you need it.
And this replaces the old way of driving those ATVs into your truck where you'd have a large friend who you could just try to drive up their back, right?
Right. This is much safer, much better for everybody, especially your large friend.
Right. Now, is this available right now?
It's available right now for all the large trucks, Ford, GMC, Chevrolet, Toyota, and Dodge. Little trucks will come next year. We go back about 10 years on every truck. Just depends on the model and variations. Check your online retailer or our website at elongator.com to see what we offer. Again, made in the USA with a 3-year warranty.
Excellent, man. Well, again, like he said, if that's your peace of mind, everything is already there. You don't have to worry about it. Thank you so much, David, with Elongator. You could pick this up hopefully very soon at MidwestAftermarket.com, or if you have any questions, pick up the phone and give us a call. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.